Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing visa runs and border runs. And while I won't sit here and pontificate that I'm the arbiter of all things Thai immigration terminology, I did want to kind of make this video because I think people fundamentally misunderstand two different aspects sometimes of maintaining lawful status in Thailand. So people often use the term, oh, I got to go do a visa run, or I have to do a border run. For the purposes of this video, and I would hope maybe down the line in the future, when people think visa run and border run, I hope they think of two qualitatively different things, and I'll explain why. So a border run, I think, should be viewed as a run to a border in order to cross out and return presumably the same day or practically within moments of the entry and exit in order to have a new stamp issued to maintain one's status. We might see this in the context, for example, of a 30-day stamp here in Thailand. One's 30 days is about to run up. They don't particularly want to extend their status, and they do a quote-unquote border run. In many cases, people spend, a couple of days, a 3-day weekend at a destination, or, they might fly to one, or they might run to a land border, spend a couple of days in a country bordering Thailand, for example, and then cross back in and receive a new stamp to maintain their status thereafter. That's fine. In the context of Thailand, border running has become far less common, shall we say. It's in effect not used quite as often as it once was. The reason for that is 30-day stamps are not issued with the frequency that they once were. There was a time, some 10 years ago, 12 years ago, where it was possible to simply live in Thailand, maintaining one's status with the sort of infinite border run strategy. That time has kind of come to a close. That window has closed. Immigration has changed policies with respect to issuance of 30-day stamps, and the fact of it is 30-day stamps are just issued to individuals with much less frequency than there once were. That being stated, a border run might be used in the context of a multiple entry visa that's been issued for Thailand. For those who are unaware, there are visas such as the multiple entry business visa or the multiple entry O visa, oftentimes based on marriage to a Thai national, wherein this visa allows an individual they're given a visa sticker, and the sticker's validity will have a 1-year validity. But that individual will be granted lawful status when stamped into the country for 90-day intervals at every stamping. Well, presumably that individual, if they wish to primarily reside in Thailand, they may need to do a border run, either land, air, or sea, leave the kingdom, return to get their next 90-day stamp. This can be accomplished, again, through use of a border run. Now, I would argue strongly, in fact, that a border run is qualitatively different from a visa run. A visa run, in my opinion, should be used as the term that one uses when going to an embassy or consulate abroad, outside of the place where they're at, in this case Thailand, to go ahead and obtain a new visa in order to come back in and maintain their status. So, for example, if one is using a multiple entry business visa because they do a lot of business in the region and they simply don't really want to go through the process of extending their status here in Thailand, they want to use their multiple entry business visa to sort of use Thailand as a base. Well, that multiple entry business visa in this case, again, the sticker validity may be only for 1 year, and that sticker validity may be coming to an end. So a new sticker, a new visa is going to be necessary. And applying at a Thai embassy or a Thai consulate abroad is going to be where one needs to go ahead and lodge that application in order to go ahead and obtain a new multiple entry visa sticker. That is what I would argue a visa run is, a run to an embassy or consulate, as opposed to simply running over a border in the case of a border run in order to basically continue maintaining one's status in the kingdom. Again, I understand this can be viewed as kind of a pedantic distinction, but that being said, they are qualitatively different things, and they require a different level of documentation and effort in order to achieve the goal that's being sought by the individual undertaking either a border run or visa run from the Kingdom of Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.